So the guy that wants me to make this horseshoe knife, he wants me to not put a handle on it. He wants me to leave it looking like a horseshoe. So what I'm going to do is this part right here. I'm going to keep this as the tang and the handle, and then I'll straighten this part out and make this part the blade. He also doesn't want me to put any sort of handle on it. He wants me to just leave it, and also wants me to leave any forge marks in there. I can keep some of the scale on there if I want. I'll probably clean it up a little bit and just leave forge marks and just have it like that. He hasn't told me what kind of shape he wants in the blade, so I'm just gonna start forging it, see what kind of shape it takes. What I'm wanting is a knife, about this long. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna start forging, see what kind of shape this takes. Just do a little bit on the grinder, but I really like the shape. He wanted the handle a little thick. I'm gonna take some of the tang off, just bring it up a little bit. But other than that, I'm gonna keep the same shape. I really don't think that it's going to be hardened, and maybe it's got some carbon in it more than other horseshoes, but as far as I know, there's really not a lot that is going to be high carbon steel when it's horseshoes. But we'll test it out and see how it does. The knife's finished. I wanted to take it up in the mountains to get a couple shots of it before I delivered the knife. So I left the handle really raw like the guy wanted, but I've decided I'm going to clean it up just a little bit more with my flap disc. I want to have it more of a silver look to the handle. I'll still leave the forge marks. It'll just clean it up a little bit and look a lot nicer. I cleaned it up a little bit. I still left a lot of forge marks in here, but it looks better than it did. He's just going to be displaying it, so normally I would never make a horseshoe knife for anybody. It does not make good steel, or it's not good steel for a knife, but it was really fun to make. I will be making a horseshoe knife that is good steel, but I'll do that in a different video. Let me know what you guys thought of this video, or if you've ever used horseshoe steel for a blade before. I'll see you guys in my next video.